What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see your saved post on your Twitter or X app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your X app. So after opening the X app, you can see I am going to save a post. I'm going to save this post. Okay, you have to click on this option in the right bottom corner to save this post. This post is added to your bookmark. So I'm going to save another post to show you that how you can find it. I'm going to save this post. So after doing so, I will show you that how you can find it. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after saving the post, how you can find it, you have to click on your profile in the left top corner. Then you have to click on bookmarks, just like this. You have to click on this option. Then you can see here is all the posts that you have bookmarked or saved. So this is how you can find your saved post on Excel. So how you can delete them, you can just simply click on this option to delete them from your saved list. So this is how you can save a post on your X app and how you can see where is it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.